Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Nur Khalifah. My NPM 2101010013. Management Parallel Student at Muhammadiyah University of Magelang. Let me convey some materials about how to improve your service quality of service in conventional or non-conventional bank. Okay, what is service? Service quality is all effort made by service providers that aim to meet customer expectation, so that customer become loyal. When running a business, customer satisfaction is the main things that must be considered. Satisfied customer will have loyalty to a company, so as to increase sales. The more satisfied customer, the more your business will grow. To get this, you must have a good service loyalty. Okay, next, why service? Sales go up and down, service dies forever. Every company needs good service quality because of its very important roles for business. These roles include one's providing specification to consumer, two, building customer loyalty, and X. There are two reflection for use whether we have done this to provide satisfaction to customer, namely. Mirror 1. Have you met customer interest, queries, and remember the way you serve? 2. Mirror 2. Have you met the customer confident? Believe in solution, benefit, expectation, convince of the product or service you offer. These two reflections are very important things to make customers still fall in love or remember the service we bring. Next, needs and expectation. Customer needs. Main reason customer come or contacts product, information, document, transaction, X. 2. Customer expectation. Expect positive experience, easy, fast information, confident. If not meet, it's okay, but blah 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 blah. Customer become interested when cars and remember you. They want confident and believe that the product service in required. 2. Confident and believe that the product service provident solution. 3. Confident and believe that the product or service give benefit. Some important points that must be considered when meeting customer. Experts are fast, easy, flexible, clear, understand, accurate, listener, solution, willing to help. Next, product value for money and non-financial value. Process easy, simple, flexible. People skill, knowledge, attitude, and please clean, comfortable, and function. Customer part. The customer generally from knowing to buying and recommending. The first answer, next Apple, after the asks, X, and the If the customer is satisfied with our service, then will the automatic recommended to friends, family, or when people around him. Next, to customer experience map. One, look for to evaluation, 3 transaction, 4 access, 5 use, and less need help to live. Building mindset. What needs to be upgraded from the offer self? There are 3 words of building a person mindset, namely skill, lead, and attitude. Skill, understanding skill, empathy, to leads, ability to lead interaction, direct and convince customer, and last attitude, accepting accepting characteristic and suggesting a pairing work partner committed to grow. Customer stickiness. One, retention. Regularly return to using product or service because they feel the needs, get solution and benefit. Two, engagement. Open yourself up to fully relationship and profits opportunities for other plus in because relationship plus engagement. How to get customer to add products or service regularly because feelings needs get solution and benefit. Retention two one understanding customer, identify profile needs, expectation, problems, face, expectation. Two influence customer. Image point and express what they needs and expectation at is the best solution. Understands customer for one general profile, its gender, profession, place of residence, interaction set, style, modes of communication, media usage, transaction, needs, expectation, problem, concluding a summary of customer condition and solution in the direction. Okay, next, tips and tricks to influence customer. One, describe the problem they face. Say what to other expectation and expectation. Convince yourself of the solution that you can profit or value a product service to solve their problems. Ways for customers to want to build relationship and giving opportunity for other business equipment. One, get up to so to customer that you are a person right. So your quality, main things and it's able to bring yourself wherever you are. Keep your speaking out, showing a selfish work, enthusiasm, mastering product, um, like to precisely fully focus attention on customer people heavily. Three create a day contributes or get employed in a positive mood customer. Okay, last customer type and characteristic. Characteristic of familiar, easy to make a friends, happy to tell a story, easy to execute, how to handle. Putting person relationship, great award, compliment, to character know it all. Tendency to be dominant, like to have open opinions and converse. The motivation for escape of Paris. How to handle, calm down, don't go wrong, prepare corroborating facts. 3. Passive character. Different to efforts, moods, impress, not sure, and completely leave it to use. How to handle, buying, proactive, never give up, clear, and confusing information. Less critical character. A critically very experienced, not easy and asks for more careless about the procedure. How to handle so cognitive first, a systematic and factual experience. Okay, thank you everyone for your time and attention. Helpful there is information on how improve service of customer. That's all from me. Good afternoon, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.